Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I have administration. I have to do certain things that is reteach. I'm gonna say it again and again. And reteach that in other classes, in other places. I say things first day, 1 minute, and I don't have to tell it again in all the year. Everybody understands. They're like 14, 13 years old, and they understand perfectly. Even 5 years old boys and girls, and it says since first day, first class. Here I have to reteach, so I do what I am told to do. So class rules. 1, please be in your seat with pencil and notebook, please, because you have to take notes today. And materials, please, the notebooks. Okay, again I'm recording, just to, if anybody says, you're not doing your work, I'm doing my work, it's recorded. You're not doing your work. Your notebooks, please, and your pen, please. You can count to 15, congratulations. 2, be respectful of other students and their property, no stealing, no talking too loud, because if just one person wants to study, it's enough. 3, we were here to learn, so please the phone in the backpack, please. 4, stay on task and give your best effort. If you don't give your best effort, you don't know how far you can reach, please the phone in the backpack. Maybe my English is not so good, but I have asked many people, say, did I was saying right, the phone in the backpack, and they say, yeah. You speak very well, I said, but they don't understand. Maybe they don't want to understand. 5, I'm here to help. If you don't ask, you don't see the videos, you don't get into the Google Classroom, not my fault, I do my job. And 6, clean up after yourself and return class materials where they belong, okay? I'm gonna give you 1 minute to see this photo. 1 minute, just look at it. 1 minute. I don't see no cells there. I see people. I see notebooks. I see pens. I see notebooks. I'm not asking you to say anything. I'm not asking you to say anything. Good morning. I see no cells. I see notebooks. I see pencils. I see people working. I see people happy. One minute, enough. Did you see the photo? In any enterprise, the most important thing is humans. People. That people is happy, that people wants to work and do things, okay? That's the most important thing, okay? Silence, please. Silence. Dylan, please silence. Listen to what I'm saying. The most important thing is humans. It's the most important thing. If people is happy, no guns, please, in class. You cannot eat. Thank you. So, and the other thing, noticeable, there are good people there. They don't have a cell. They don't have the cells. I don't think that you can live without your cells for a day. I'm trying to challenge you to, it's just a proof, to be tomorrow without the cell. Don't use the cell tomorrow. And on Friday, you tell me if you could or not. If you couldn't, maybe you have a problem of like what was the word? No, I don't remember the word now, but it's a problem. Maybe you should go to somebody who can help you to live with that something. I don't know. My English is not good, so maybe it's that a therapist, maybe. They are happy and they are learning, okay? So maybe you can learn something from this. Today, We're going to learn how to make calculations in chemical reactions, and I have this worksheet. I'm going to do it now. You can have a look at it. And then I'm going to do it. Let's see how. It's easy to say no, no, no. That's easy. I know how to say no. Everybody. I'm saying you don't know. You don't explain well. It's easy to say many things. Just try. You need your periodic table. I'll give you like 5 periodic table this semester. If you don't have one, not my problem. Okay? I told you to keep it first day. So I'm gonna do it. I'm going to do the first one, then you do the other. Okay? Just the first one. Because you are intelligent. Is that equation balanced or not? Yes. Yeah? There are 2 hydrogens here, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 here, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 oxygens here, 2 times 1 is 2, is balanced, okay? Morning. The thing that I want to calculate is how much oxygen reacts with 100 grains of H2. Please silence. I'm doing my work. If you don't mind what I'm doing, please be silent because my right to teach is about your right to speak. Okay? So silence, please. Okay, first thing you have to calculate. You have some rows there to calculate. The molecular mass of H2, which is it? Which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? Which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? You don't have your periodic table. You should search for one. Which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? Which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? You can take your books. You have 2 periodic tables on your books. Which is the atomic mass of hydrogen? I'm asking. Which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? 7 times? 15. No? You should search for it on the table. Should have a periodic table. Atomic mass for hydrogen? 1. Atomic mass 1, very good. I just said that. As the hydrogen has 2 atoms, you got 2 times 1 is 2. Which is the atomic mass for oxygen? Atomic mass for oxygen? 16, 2 times 16 is 32. Atomic molecular mass for water, you got 2 hydrogens, 2, 1 oxygen, 16 is 18. First step is to calculate the molecular masses of each compound. Then I go with the coefficients. 2 times 2 is 4. Here I have 32. And here I have 2 times 18, 36. Morning. 36. Take this. Take this. So it's balanced or not? No, because you were not listening to me at the beginning. Okay? I was explaining it and you were not listening. You were talking. Your obligation, you have to listen to me. I don't have to begin again and again, because if so, I have to begin like 80 times. You were not listening to me. I was explaining, I was looking, and you were turning, talking, or whatever you were doing. Okay? Please, when a teacher is talking, is not because he's crazy, it's because he's explaining something on the board. So you should be looking at the board. No, you were not listening the first time. You were not listening the first time. It's easy. 5 years old, I understand that when a teacher is talking, you have to listen, look to the board. And if you don't understand anything, you say, hey, wait. And I wait, I begin again. Okay? But if you're listening for the first time, I have to do it again. Now you're going to listen to me. From the beginning, again. I need you to have a periodic table in front of you. You should have it because I give you at least 5 in this semester. The book, what? Wait. We didn't get to that point yet. Let me go to that point, okay? When I get to that point, morning, take this. Again, which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? Which is the atomic mass for hydrogen? 1. So I have 2 hydrogens here. 2 times 1 is 2. And as I have 2 molecules of hydrogen, the mass of all these is 4. Okay? Oxygen. 2 oxygens, 2 times 16 is 32. As I have just 1, the total mass of this is 32. Because the atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 2 times 16 is 32. Okay? And I have 1 oxygen, 1 molecule of oxygen. Oxygen is always on pairs, 32. And here, how do you calculate the molecular mass of water? I have 2 hydrogens times 1, that is the atomic mass is 2, and oxygen, I have 1 oxygen, atomic mass is 16, 18, so 16, 18. And I have 2 times 18 is 36. First step. Now I wait a little for you to copy, to understand, to ask, whatever. And then I go to the... Now, that's the end of the problem, okay? Let's stop here, and then we do that, okay? It should be here, okay? Put this table for those calculations, okay? Should go.
Yesterday. I don't know why they gave me the pass. I went yesterday. I had the same they passed my second period yesterday. They gave it to me, and I went and I took the test. No,
yeah.
you can check on my attendance yesterday. Like, I was absent all the way up until my seventh period because of this.
But they're calling you again. Yesterday they gave me 2 papers for you. When you're finished with this, I go with the important thing of this problem. Can I go on? Can I go on? I'm asking. Can I go on? See, come on. Come on. Should be doing it. I need you to copy that table. There. Those table, this table, okay?
Hey, mister, where do I write all that? You write it on
This
here,
table is supposed...
Yeah.
Oh. 5 in a row.
God bless you. Are you okay?
Yeah?
You need me so loud. You never played math, bro.
Come on. Come on. Ah, you did it. No. What did you say? What did you say?
Say what you said to me again?
Bro, you gotta pay for your cancer treatment. Also, had the best soup yesterday.
I don't have cancer.
You don't know. I don't know. We don't know. I don't.
Hey, fun fact about me. I wasn't born with wisdom teeth.
What?
I wasn't born with wisdom teeth.
And?
Just wasn't born with it. A lot of people aren't. So they get to suffer.
But you, phone in the backpack. Please pay attention to me. The last part. The last part. Please, the phone in the backpack. You have something like they ask you how many O2 reacts with 100 grains of H2. So where is H2? Here. So right here, 100 and O2 here, and X. Do you know what rule of 3 is? Rule of 3? 3? You don't know what a rule of 3 is?
I know the rule of thumb, but not 3.
Okay. Rule of 3. 4 grains of hydrogen reacts with 32 grains of oxygen, 100 grains of hydrogen. How much oxygen? So you got 100 times 32, you crisscross this, and then you divide by this number. That is alone. And that's all you gotta do. That's a rule of 3. This by this divided by this. Okay? What? Yeah. This cross multiply, and it's divided by this one. And it's 800. Say it. That's it. That's the thing. Yeah.